my name is Arundhati, and today we have with us Rima Das, the filmmaker, the supremely talented and celebrated filmmaker. I know these two words are like too shallow for me to explain actually who she is, and that's the reason we have to have a conversation with her. Hi Rima,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. Lovely to meet you again.
Same here.
After almost 1 year.
Yeah,
1.5 year
it's
probably.
almost because you were like traveling with your film, and you are winning award traveling with your film. So many screening, talk, lot of things you are doing.
My friends, even family, they were somehow scared. You know, you are making another film in such a hurry, and they said that if it's not do well, then you are going to face criticism. It was really, I can say that, very fortunate and very happy that Toronto Film Festival, they again selected
Your film.
Yes, and that was the time, I was very happy. Then after your film got selected, then it's the audience and critics. So
Right.
that time also I was very nervous, but critics and audience, they also supported, loved the film. So I'm happy.
Film is traveling to all the prestigious festival. Do you feel that pressure?
No, I don't. I actually don't. I just whenever I feel like if I'm passionately driven, okay, I want to tell this story, I want to tell this story. It just like definitely expectation is there,
Right.
but it should not ruin the process. Yes, if people love your film, critics talks positive things about it, you feel good, right? But that should not be a pressure on me also. It is not a pressure, and I just want to keep making movies, more and more movies. Whatever story I feel like I want to tell, I just want to keep telling. That's it.
But
Before Village Access,
are you ready for the criticism from the world press? Is what I was
see, the
thinking.
thing is that you actually don't know. Sometimes as a human being, I even don't know myself, properly. Every 6 months
You change
it
you're
keep
evolving.
changing. So in what like circumstances and situations, how I'm going to react, I don't know, but somehow I'm ready.
It's wonderful that all your films traveled in all the prestigious festival, but I was wondering that when it comes to the bigger reach of a film, right, apart from theatrical reach, what do you think, how this kind of films that are regional film otherwise face some kind of struggle, and what do you think, how it is kind of finding a way to reach out to a bigger audience?
Now definitely like OTT platforms
Okay.
helping a lot.
Okay.
And now I'm happy it was because it's our Flying River Films, our company. It's a small company, so it was really, in the beginning it was a challenge how to get into the festival. Then also it was a challenge how to release the film. So it was released through Wakao, PVR Wakao. So we had a decent release, and then to release the film in any OTT platform, it was the last challenge. And I'm very happy that now Village Rockstars and Bulbul Can Sing, both the films streaming on Netflix.
What is your way of choosing a story for a film?
It's also very organic. It just like when I was doing Village Rockstars, then I was thinking what is next, Then also with Village Rockstars, interestingly, with Manuda Binoculars, that was my first film, and it was about a 65 years old retired geography teacher, and then I don't know like why in like 2013 or I started shooting, why that time I decided to make a movie based on a 65 years old man. But when I started get along with the children in my village, and started making Village Rockstars, it was a kind of a rebirth for me. I was also playing around and like swimming in the river, climbing trees. I was doing everything what I used to do
As a child.
as a child. Then I was thinking it was kind of a rebirth for me. I can actually say that Village Rockstars I learned, it just changed my life. And then I was thinking, what is next? Then I thought, okay, how it will be nice again to live my the teenage years. It was really interesting how you were with children, like how transparent or kind of their innocence,
and at
and
the same
everything
time, the
was
character
different
is-
from
character is
Bulbul.
also, yeah.
Bulbul's character, because they
Yeah.
were more moody, less transparent. Village Rockstars, the children, they used to just share with me everything and anything I used to get. But when it was with teenagers,
Right.
it was
They're
different.
filtering.
Yes, so that's how it is. I cannot decide like which story, but which story I can more connect is moving me. And I always, when I write or I think about a story, then I should see my films from beginning to the end visually.
What are the advantage that you have in terms of experimenting and approaching production house and studios with your upcoming project? And do you think now you can tell them ki this is how I want my film to be made, and they are ready to accept it?
I just hope so. Last time I was doing a project for Bricks, and Jia Jhanke, he was the producer. So then we were shooting with Alexa Mini, and we had a proper crew, and I was comfortable. So now definitely somehow I feel like that I'm comfortable working in a studio system, but definitely not compromising my vision.
Okay.
Yes.
New project that you are working on?
I'm talking and I'm writing.
Okay.
And probably towards the end or mid of this year.
Yeah.
And I'm also working with Tilotoma Shome, probably very soon.
Acha.
And
Hi,
let's
she's
see.
a very good actress.
Yeah, she is
Wonderful
beautiful.
actress.
She is thoughtful, and
You are from Assam, and Assam and Bengal are two different states that many people do not know. They should. No, there is another actor the other day said ki Brahmaputra and Ganga is the same river.
oh, interesting.
Yeah, I mean, just because Bengali script and Ohmiya script are almost same, that does not mean that.
It's changing now. It's
I just hope it does. I just hope it does.
it is changing, and thanks to internet also now is
You think these days people are googling a little more about Ohmiya culture and Assam and all?
I think so. Yes. Yeah, even about Northeast.
What are the weird question? I will come back to the topic that I want to discuss on, but before that, because we are talking about this, what are the weirdest question that you faced because you are from Northeast?
To like asking me where are you from, Nepal or China, kind of. The Northeast and these, they kind of, it's more like forest, jungle, this kind of things. But recently I'm not getting such kind of questions. But somehow I feel like we should take that responsibility, like spread words, talking about our culture, people, and that is our responsibility, I think.
I also think so, but it's just that ki somewhere the cultural ignorance is certainly not something that is expected.
Maybe I also don't know many things, So that's how I think everyone's, if you love, if you have the sense of belonging, it is your responsibility to talk about it. In general, I think everyone, if they have the sense of belonging, they have to make efforts. Yeah.
That is true, but if you ask me personally, the thing जिससे मेरा मतलब जल जाता है, खून जल जाता है, वो ये बात है कि when somebody, especially from, okay, without being like,
making any racist comment, but when that part of our country, knowing the fact that I'm from Bengal, if they say ki like, oh, so you are from Northeast, अच्छा, so oh, मतलब that chinky ना खून जल जाता है मेरा. It does matter to me. Okay, it's just खून जल जाता है मेरा, like खून जल जाता है मेरा.
खून मेरा पहले जलता था, अभी नहीं.
Who are the actors that you find quite interesting to collaborate with, like tempting really as a performer to collaborate with?
There are a lot.
You are allowed to take 3 names.
There are lots of talent. Even I love like Ranveer Singh.
Okay.
Then Vicky Kaushal, he's a talent, such a talent. Then this Rajkumar Rao, then Shah Rukh, you know, like Amir. We have lots of talent, but the thing is that kind of characters and the kind of movie or story, it depends. It like if that characters, I cannot think about Shah Rukh Khan casting if that characters is, you know, it doesn't fit into. So yes.
But tell me, when you used to watch films as a teenager, if I ask you, you are a fan of Shah Rukh, Amir, or Salman?
No, it's very difficult to
Listen,
say.
we all love Shah Rukh.
I was somehow fan of like all 3 Khans. It's
No, but
like
then the favorite.
when I saw, no, it's not like that, because I remember you cannot compare. Like I watched that Maine Pyar Kiya,
हाँ,
you
सलमान
know,
खान.
with like Shah Rukh Khan.
कुछ होता है.
और like that
दिलवाले-
Kajol Wan. Yeah,
दिलवाले
कुछ
दुल्हनिया ले
दिल,
जाएंगे, yeah.
so you cannot compare, you know, even
I'm
Bazigar.
not asking to compare. I'm just asking to
No,
choose
it
the
was
one.
no. I cannot choose. I cannot choose. No, it's very difficult. And we were not the kind of. It's not that I was blessed or I was blessed with that kind of talent. I can, you know, something, because I am not coming from that kind of background. So that's the reason we should. Like that time, it was like we should get a chance to watch the film. You know, it didn't matter like kind of which hero, which director or which film or which. It is like, even I remember like my school college days, like that Saturday movies. You know, my mother, she's like not allowing you kind of छुपके से, you know, कैसे कुछ भी देखना. And you sometimes even the current also in television also, the 20 minutes, after 20 minutes current is not there, current is gone. That kind of, we are coming from there. So in college also, whatever way possible, I used to stay in hostel. So जो भी
देखने को मिलता था
बस देख लेते थे.
Wow. But
So ऐसा बोलना मुश्किल है. But I used to love them all.
That girl, right, from there, who otherwise had no idea of, say, world cinema, is actually making her space in the world cinema with these kind of films. Do you at times like pinch yourself and think about it, ki like, wow, like what's happening, man?
Yes, I do. I feel like it's a gift, blessings of God, universe, because I feel like from where it came to me, you know, that this talent or skill, whatever you say. So that sometimes that, like, you know, surprises me. And also I just pray that it always stay with me, you know. So that's it.
thank you so much.
Pleasure.